Welcome you all. Welcome to CBSE Explosion. So today we are going to do a very beautiful poem that is from your Collins Literature. It couldn't be done of your class 7th. Okay. So this is from your class 7th. It couldn't be done. This poem is written by Edgar Albert Guest. Okay. This is a very beautiful poem and definitely this poem inspires you a lot. This I believe. Okay, before I start this poem, I just want to say something to you that to make your dream comes true, keep on believing that nothing is impossible. Okay, if you want to make your dream true, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी ड्रीम रियल में हो, आप अपनी ड्रीम पे सक्सेस हासिल कर पाएँ, तो you have to make you have to make yourself believe in that कि nothing is possible in this world. Okay, nothing is impossible in this world, and whatever dream you have, whatever aim you have, just try to act immediately for that dream and handle it dedicatedly. Dedication is very important for achieving the success in your life, for achieving the aim, whatever aim you have. तो डेडिकेशन के बिना तो आप कुछ भी अचीव नहीं कर सकते. एंड cheerfully and never give up. whatever problem you will face in between that, हो सकता है आप जब अपनी सक्सेस को, अपने एम को हासिल कर रहे हो, अपने मुकाम को हासिल कर रहे हो, definitely you will face so many problems, you will suffer a lot. Okay, I believe I totally agree with you, but you have such type of attitude कि आपको कभी गिव अप नहीं करना है, right? So to make your dream come true, keep on believing that nothing is impossible. Act immediately, handle it dedicatedly and cheerfully, and never give up. Okay, so you should create such type of attitude in your behavior, then definitely you can get success in your life, right? So let's start this poem, It Couldn't Be Done, which is written by Edgar Albert Guest. Okay, this is your poem, which is written by Edward Albert. Okay, and it describes what it makes to do something that has never been done before and prove those who doubt you wrong. Okay, so in this poem you will read what you will read in this poem, that is what it makes to do something. Whenever you start to do something, there are so many people around you who will try to distract you by saying such type of words like you cannot do and this cannot be done. Okay, but what you have to do, you just have to ignore those words and have a focus towards your aim, then definitely you can get success in your life. Okay, so this poem concludes with the speaker making clear that anytime someone doubts you. ओके, ये होता है, सबके साथ होता है, आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा, हमारे साथ भी होता है. सॉरी, कि what happened with us, conclude with the speaker making clear that anytime someone doubts you, कि लोग आपके ऊपर डाउट करते हैं, आपके अचीवमेंट्स के ऊपर डाउट करते हैं, कि जब आपको कोई भी काम दिया जाता है, they start questioning you कि कैन नॉट डू, और ये काम हो ही नहीं सकता. ओके, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. बहुत बार ऐसे लोग आपको बोलते होंगे. दैट इज अ परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. उस टाइम पे व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, या तो आप क्या करेंगे, उन लोगों की बातों से एग्री होकर के यू जस्ट गिव अप कि नहीं हो सकता, मैं नहीं कर सकती. जैसे कि सपोज यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ क्लियरिंग योर IAS एग्जाम और आपके आसपास के लोग बोलते हैं कि दिस इज़ वेरी हार्ड, यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू, तुमसे नहीं होगा, इसमें अपना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, कुछ नहीं होगा, इसमें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. ओके, उस टाइम पर आपको या तो आप क्या करोगे, आप गिव अप कर दोगे उनकी बात पे एग्री करके, या फिर यू हैव टू प्रूव इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल दोज पीपल्स हु आर डिमोरलाइजिंग यू. ओके, so that is a great opportunity to prove them wrong. Whatever they are saying about you that it cannot be done, you have to prove it by doing it. This can be done. Okay, so one should buckle in and do the thing they say you can now. Okay, so you should work hard for those things and prove in front of them that this can be done. Okay, So it couldn't be done by Edgar Gas discuss. Wait for a second. Okay, discuss the importance of perseverance and self realization. Okay, self realization क्या है बेटा कि you have to be confident to yourself. Okay, whatever you are doing, you have to be confident in world with negativity, because around you there is so much negativity, and there are so many people who will try to demoralize you. Okay, जो कि आपको demoralize करेंगे, आपको टॉन्ट करेंगे, but you have to ignore all those things and have a focus towards your aim. Okay, so this poem includes imaginary symbolisms, connotations, forms, and sound devices to contribute to the overall topic of motivation. So in short, this is a very motivational poem, and definitely you can inspire yourself, and this poem definitely inspires you. इस बात की गारंटी मैं आपको देती हूँ. Okay, so what is the theme of this poem? The theme of this poem is to try things no matter how impossible someone says. Okay, आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी आपके पास चैलेंज आता है, तो you have to try. Okay, that is very important. You have to try for those challenges instead of giving up. Okay, maybe there are so many people around you who will try to demoralize you, who will say like this is not possible, don't waste your time, but you have to ignore all those words and you have to focus towards your own work. Okay, if someone say you can't do something, then go and prove them wrong. Okay, which is very important, and do it. So don't let someone's negative attitude take you away from doing something you want to do. Okay, so this is the theme of the poem. Okay, so let's start this poem. We often give up a new task when faced with discouragement. This poem tries to open a whole new world of possibilities for us so that we can find possible within the impossible. This is the main theme. This is again the main theme of the poem. Find possible within the impossible. जो चीज़ लोग impossible बोलते हैं, उसी में से आपको possible find out करना है, and you have to prove it. कि जिस चीज़ के लिए आप impossible बोल रहे हो, this is really not impossible. We can definitely do it, right? So somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he, with a chuckle, replied that maybe it couldn't be, but he would won. Who wouldn't say so till he would try it? So he buckled right in with the trace of a grin on his face. If he worried, he heeded. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed. Oh, you will never do that. At least, no one ever has done it. But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew, he would begin it. With a lift of his chin and a bit of grin, without any doubting or quitting. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. There are thousands to tell you it cannot be done. There are thousands to prophesize you that failure. There are thousands to point out to you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. But just buckle in with a beat of green. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just start in the sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you will do it. Okay, so let us do a detailed explanation of the poem, and definitely this poem inspires you. Okay, so somebody said that it couldn't be done. Here the poet is using this word somebody कि कुछ लोग होते हैं जो आपको डिमोरलाइज करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि this couldn't be done. Okay, so somebody said that this couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied. Chuckle, what is the meaning of a chuckle? A quiet reply. But you have to reply to those people in a very positive manner that maybe it couldn't be. हो सकता है कि ये इम्पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि हम नहीं कर सकते, but he would be one. He wouldn't say so till he would try. लेकिन we can at least try for that. कि हम बिना करे ही हार माने, दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. ओके, बिना करे हार माना तो अच्छी बात नहीं है. मे बी इफ द पीपल आर सेइंग लाइक दिस कि दिस इज इम्पॉसिबल, दिस कैन नॉट बी डन, ओके, आई टोटली एग्री विद यू, हो सकता है कि ये चीज नहीं हो सकती, बट वी शुड ट्राई, वी कैन ट्राई. हम कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं, ट्राई तो कर सकते हैं. सो ही बकल राइट इन विद द ट्रेस ऑफ ग्रीन ऑन हिज फेस. ओके, सो ही, सो द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू ट्राई, जो कि कोशिश करता है, वो he is having a smile on his face, and his worry he started to sing, and he starts singing up as he tackle the thing. Tackle, deal it, he can deal whatever problem he will face in between them. जब वो किसी भी इम्पॉसिबल काम को पॉसिबल करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड इन बिटवीन दैट दैम, इफ दैट पर्सन इज फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम, अगर वो पर्सन उस समय कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है, तो इट्स ओके, ही विल ट्राई, ही विल डू इट, एंड ही विल डेफिनेटली टैकल द थिंग. और वो उस प्रॉब्लम्स को डेफिनेटली फेस करेगा, उसको टैकल अप करेगा, ठीक है, उसको रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेगा, इफ दैट पर्सन विल ट्राई टू डू दैट थिंग. ओके, I think this first stanza is clear to all of you. Is there any doubt in the first stanza? Is there any doubt in the first stanza? Do you have any doubt? And that couldn't be done, and he did it. And by doing that, by singing like this, he can tackle the thing, and definitely one day he can definitely tackle the problem. He can definitely get the success in their life. He can definitely make that impossible to possible. Okay? Wait for a second. Somebody scoffed. Oh, you will never do that. Scoffed. What is the meaning of the word scoffed? Scoffed का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of the word scoffed? It means made fun of. Maybe जब आप कोई impossible काम को possible करने की कोशिश करोगे, maybe there are some people around you who will start laughing on you. होता है ना, कोई आप बहुत ही difficult काम होता है and you will try to do that work, लोग आपका मजाक बनाने लगते हैं, लोग आपके ऊपर हंसने लगते हैं कि ये बेवकूफ़ है, कैसे काम करने चला है, ये possible भी है. ठीक है, मांझी आपने मूवी देखी होगी जिसने पहाड़ को तोड़ करके रास्ता बनाया था, है ना. लोग उसके ऊपर हंसते थे, लेकिन उसने हार नहीं मानी जब तक उसने वहां रास्ता नहीं बना दिया. Although the people are laughing on him, he is totally mad, he is totally fool, but he was ignoring all those words and he have a concentration towards his own work. And क्या हुआ, at last उसने अपने एम को, अपने मुकाम को हासिल किया. That's what the poet is saying. Somebody scoffed. Maybe there are so many people around you who will laugh on you, जो कि आपके ऊपर हंसेंगे, आपका मजाक बनाएंगे. But oh, you will never do that. But you have to ignore all those things. You should not give importance to all those things. At least no one ever has done it. But अगर आपने वो काम कर लिया, तो at least you can prove that कि जिस चीज़ को कोई कर नहीं सकता, I am able to do that work. Okay, but he took off his coat and he took off his hat. But that person who has that type of attitude कि definitely I will do it, that person is taking the coat and he took off his hat. उसने अपनी hat ली, अपनी coat लिया, and the first thing we knew he would begin it with a lift of his chin and a beat of a grin. Again, he was very happy and he was very confident, okay, towards his aim, and he was totally focused, okay, without any doubt of quit. Quit it, that means intentional misspelling of quivering, which means to argue about something. He was not giving importance to all those people who are arguing with him, who are taunting on him. This is totally wastage of time, you cannot able to do, this is totally impossible. He was not giving, he was totally ignoring it. Okay, वो उन सब चीज़ों को importance नहीं दे रहा है और वो उन लोगों के साथ argue भी नहीं करना चाह रहा है, because he was totally focused towards his own aim. उसका ध्यान सिर्फ उस काम को पूरा करने में है, and that's why he started for ignoring all those words of people who is around you. He started to sing, as he tackle the thing. उसने गाना गाना स्टार्ट कर दिया, I can tackle the thing, whatever the problem I face, definitely I will handle it. That couldn't be done and he did it. और जो चीज़ आप बोल रहे हो, this thing is totally impossible, but I will prove it कि I can do it. मैं प्रूव करके दिखाऊंगा कि मैं इसको पूरा कर सकता हूँ. Okay, so the first two stanza tells of a situation in which unnamed somebody tries to convince a man. जहाँ पे कुछ लोग हैं जो उस पर्सन को कन्विंस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं समथिंग कैन नॉट बी डन, कि ये चीज़ पॉसिबल नहीं है, टोटली इम्पॉसिबल है. This thing is never described as it mean to represent and tasks one has to overcome. But the man is in the poem is not uh, focusing what they are saying. Okay, and what he was doing, he was totally confident and proud of his own ability. यहाँ पे जो मैन है, he was not giving importance. Okay, वो importance नहीं दे रहा है उनकी बातों को, and he was very much confident to himself. He has a proud on himself. He knows his abilities and he has such type of attitude. He can do it and he can get the success. Okay, so that's what we have studied in these two stanzas. Okay, next stanza we have, there are thousands to tell you it cannot be done. Maybe आपके रास्ते में हजारों लोग ऐसे आएंगे जो आपको डिमोरलाइज करेंगे, जो आपको बोलेंगे कि you are wasting your time, this is totally impossible, this cannot be done. बहुत सी ऐसी नेगेटिव बातें बोलेंगी, right? So there are thousands to prophecy filler. Okay, it means foretell what shall happen in the future. कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जो आपको फ्यूचर की बोलेंगे कि आप अपना फ्यूचर बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इसमें कुछ नहीं रखा है. मे बी दे आर सेइंग सो मेनी वर्ड्स टू यू. ओके, सो देयर आर थाउजेंड्स टू पॉइंट आउट टू यू वन बाय वन. ये सारे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ पीपल से हजारों लोग जो हैं आपको एक एक करके पॉइंट आउट करेंगे. दे विल डेफिनेटली पॉइंटिंग आउट. ओके, वो आपको पॉइंट आउट करेंगे, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to ignore all those people who will try to demoralize you. Okay, लेकिन आपको क्या करना है, आपको उन सब लोगों को इग्नोर करना है totally. And the dangers that wait to assail you. Okay, the dangers that wait to assail you, warrior, and you have to be ready for all the struggles that you will face, all the problems that you will face in between them. Okay, so you will make yourself confident, you will make yourself ready for facing all the problem, and you have to ignore all those thousands of people who will try to stop you. Okay, who will try to demoralize you. Okay, next, but just buckle in with a beat of green. Just take off your coat and go to it. Okay, just buckle in. Okay, just try to do it and just have the confidence to be proud yourself. Take your coat and go to it for those things what you want to achieve. Just start in to sing as you tackle this thing. Just to ignore all those words, start singing. And that you can tackle the thing, you can definitely face the problem that cannot be done, and you will do it. कि जो दूसरे लोग नहीं कर सकते, definitely I will do it. Start singing like this, then definitely you will achieve your success. Okay, so this is all about this poem. I think you all will love this poem and definitely you can inspire yourself. Okay, so the poem concludes with the speaker making clear that एनी टाइम समवन डाउट्स यू, कि कभी भी कोई भी आप पे डाउट कर सकता है, आपकी एबिलिटीज पे क्वेश्चन रेज कर सकता है, आपकी एबिलिटीज पे डाउट कर सकता है. ओके, बट यू दैट इज द परफेक्ट